So Feast from the Furnace is a way for people to really understand what industrial arts are here to do, which is really bring community together, and that's what Liberty Arts does. And to see it firsthand is something to get people excited about actually taking a class and doing their own piece of artwork. So it's fun that way. There's no way to really get into it unless you've seen it, and then I think people just explore more. So it's a great opportunity.
Today we are at Liberty Arts in Durham, North Carolina, and this is Feast from the Furnace. So Liberty Arts has been around for just over 20 years. We've got a whole bunch of different artistic mediums under one roof, which is very unique. We've got letterpress artists, ceramics, pottery, wood turning, pipe making, welders, metal workers. We actually have a weaver. Her name is Kelly, and she's new to Liberty Arts this year. It's the first textile artist in Liberty Arts, which is really exciting. I think it's a place like this is important for the community because not only do we offer really inexpensive rent and space for these artists to work, we support them in a really important way by promoting their work through our website. We support them in teaching classes of their medium to people who are new to the arts. So we have a lot of intro classes, intro to welding, intro to letterpress. So not only do the artists get to have a space here for pretty low rent, they get to make money. Because one of the things that a lot of artists might know is that when you get at art school, they sort of just kick you out and say good luck. And it's really hard to make a living. So these artists have a space to work and make a living. Feast from the Furnace is a really exciting and very unique event where folks come from the community to watch a chef cook in the furnace for the glass studio. So the furnace gets up to about 2,000 degrees, and it's very difficult, as you might imagine, to cook something, basically a hot oven. So it's a really cool, unique experience. So when you come in for Feast from the Furnace, you help yourself to a couple of snacks that might be up near the bar, a little bit of cheese and fruit, and then you get yourself a drink. You walk around, you check out the space, you've never been here before. If you're lucky, you get to talk to an artist, and you get to go into their studio space and see what they're doing. And afterwards, someone will let you know that it's time to sit down at the table and have your first course. I think it's really incredible to have a place that teaches really unique artistic crafts and techniques to people who have no experience in the arts, and somebody who might have always wanted to try to weld something. They come in here and they make a piece that they get to walk home, walk out the door with. And then that makes them hungry to try new things.